Hello, dear children, good morning. Today I am going to continue the lesson The Tug of War. Okay, we have completed in your previous class that the rhino snorted with laughter and tied the rope to one end of the rhino's hind leg. Then he hurried to the top of the hill. He hid in a little hollow and called loudly, "Pull!" So, till here we have completed the explanation part, and in today's class we are going to continue from this paragraph. By now, the ants began to bite deep inside Rhino's ear. So, the umandla, the hare, dropped some ants in Rhino's ears. So, they began to bite deep inside Rhino's ear, and with a bellow of pain, Rhino charged off. So, with pain, he is no more conscious. Poor old Hippo had forgotten about Umandla. He was dozing. Dozing means to have a short sleep, especially during the day. So, having short sleep, especially during the day. So, Hippo had forgotten about Umandla and his bed, and he was dozing, sleeping peacefully in his pool when there was a sudden hard tug on his hind leg. Before he knew it, he was dragged out of the river and halfway up the hill. So, here the hippo had pulled the rope, and the rhino was sleeping, forgotten about Umandla, and all of the sudden there was a hard tug on his hind leg. So, before he knew it, he was dragged out of the river. The hippo was dragged out of the river and half up the hill. When Hippo realized what was happening, he dug his heels. What is meant by dug? He dug his heels and gave a mighty heave. What is meant by heave? Lift or haul with great effort. So, he dug his heels. He forcibly kept his heels and gave a mighty lift or haul with great effort. Okay, and the great tug of war started in earnest. So, the tug of war between hippo and rhino was started now. Each of the powerful animals strained every muscle and worked themselves up onto a fine fury. What is meant by fury means violent anger. So each of them, both of the animals are so powerful and they strain their muscles and work themselves. A fine fury means violent anger. Umandla laughed so much that he fell over and went rolling down the side of the ant hill. Here we can see the tug of war began between the two powerful animals, hippo and rhino, and Umandla, with full of laughing, fell over and went rolling down the side of the ant hill. We can see ants here. Okay. When they saw him there, the two great animals knew that they have been tricked. When the both animals saw Umandla there, they came to realize that they had been tricked. What is meant by tricked? Tricked means cunningly deceived by Umandla. Turn the next page. Roaring with anger, they charged after Umandla, hoping to trample. What is meant by trample? To step heavily on someone or something. So, they charged after Umandla, hoping to step on someone heavily before he could tell the other animals how foolish they had been. As they charged, the hare waited until the last possible moment. So, till the last possible moment of their tug of war, the Umandla has waited and then skipped out of the way. and then skipped off. The way hippo and rhino were going so fast that they could not stop. So the rope was tied to their hind legs, and rhino and hippo, they are going so fast that they could not stop. With a tremendous crash, what is meant by tremendous crash? Involving great effort to achieve something. So with a tremendous crash, they met head on. What is meant by head on? With the head making the first contact. Head on, hurting each other terribly. In a blind rage means uncontrolled anger that makes someone violent. So in a blind rage, they started to fight with each other. They started fighting in an uncontrollable manner. Okay, until they heard Umendla, who was weeping with laughter. Weeping is shedding tears with laughter. Umendla realized that at last the game was up. So Umendla came to realize that the game was over. So he jumped up and sped off into the bushes. So Umendla went into the bushes, and he could hardly wait to tell the other animals how he had made fools of hippo and rhino. So he is eagerly waiting to explain, to tell the other animals how he fooled hippo and rhino. To this day, Rhino thinks that the little red ants are still in his ears. So from then, Rhino used to think that the red ants were still in his ears. Some says that the ants are so far down that they live in his brain, and this is why Rhino is so bad tempered. So some says that these ants were live in Rhino's brain, and that's why the Rhino is so bad tempered. As for hippo, you will find him still searching the river banks at night, hoping to find Umendla and throw him to the hungry crocodiles. And hippo is searching for the river banks at night to find Umendla and throw him into the hungry crocodiles. So this is all about the lesson, the tug of war. Okay children, once go through the chapter. Bye children, thank you.